Welcome back, guys. How are you doing? Just know that this is Sure Gold, which is sponsored by Goldmine Aroma, where food always comes exciting. So sit down, relax, and enjoy a good meal. Bring it to your table, you know. If it's not here, it's not anywhere. So guys, we got you always. It's another exciting menu today, which is, you know, that while but I have plantain cooked with it. So that's just it. I have referred to my one of my videos that I made plantains and beans porridge. But then I told you, like most African meals, you can make it in different forms. So this is actually beans porridge with plantains and vegetables. So you grade it with fish, you know. So guys, I told you honey beans is the best for all those kind of porridge beans. You see how I picked it? I pick it, I carefully wash it, take it to fire, let it boil, let it soft. When it's soft, so you put your plantain, my ripe plantain, cut it into slices so that I can pour it in it. You see? This is my fish. This is my sauce, pepper sauce. What I basically blend here is one of this and two of this. So I want to show you so that you can know. I just blend it all and pour it here. Then where ugu does not come available, Kale good though. So I am going to pour this one into the beans that's already soft, so that they can cook together and get be softer. Come. And don't forget, guys, all this sauce, I'm going to fry it in this red oil. Yeah, this is my kale, guys. The onja is ready, and this is the beans, all shades of proteins and fibers. You know, we have you in mind. So guys, this is the beans that is laced with veggies, plantains in it, and some side stewed fishes. So guys, call us for your order. We are always here. So call us for your order with phone call. We don't forget, this is 832-670-5715. And meet us on Sure Gold or Goldmine Aroma on our handle at IG. So guys, thank you for watching today's food show. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment. So till we see you again in another video.